Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert SeaMonkey emails into Office 365 email service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 Box Converter software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Tap on the Open button. Select Desktop Emails Client option, and choose SeaMonkey Email Client option. You can choose as per need. Here you can choose Configured SeaMonkey Accounts option and select SeaMonkey file manually. We are choosing Folder option to browse SeaMonkey folder from System and then tap on Select Folder button. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, click the listed email folder. Now, click the email to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature, and more. User can also see the email header preview. Click on the message header option to get the important details. This superb utility also enables you to see the hex view of the email. A forensic investigator can also view the raw information of the email. Please click on the raw message option to get the preview. Users can preview the complete content of the email body details. The software provides export option to convert SeaMonkey emails into email files, email service, and document files. We are selecting Office 365 option. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first one is Create Empty Folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The next is Skip Grayed Outlook folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your email account. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is Append to Default Folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to send, and more. It allows users to insert emails into default mail folders. Enter the name of the folder that you want to create an Office 365 account. Then, fill the account details like email address, password, of your Office 365 account. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of SeaMonkey emails conversion. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button. Here you can see the migrated folder. Click on it. Here you can see the folder hierarchy and converted folder. Click on it as per your need and you can see the migrated emails.